Do you want to change your last name on Facebook? You can change your surname on your Facebook account with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to change last name on Facebook. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. To change your last name on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap the three horizontal lines menu or your profile picture at the top right of the screen. If you're using an iPhone, it is located in the bottom right corner. Now, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Settings and Privacy. From the expanded menu, tap on Settings. A new screen will appear where you can see various account settings. At the top of the screen, you'll see the Meta Account Center. Just tap on it. Again, a pop-up screen will appear. From here, find and tap on Profiles. Now, you'll see different Facebook and Instagram profiles linked to the Meta Center. From the list of accounts, choose the account on which you want to change your last name or surname. A new screen will appear. From here, tap on Name. Now, you'll see your current first, middle, and last name. To change your surname, tap on the text box for the last name. Remove the current surname and add the new one to your account. After editing your name, tap the Review Change button at the bottom of the screen. Lastly, choose how you'd like your name to appear on your Facebook profile. Choose one option and tap Save Changes to update your last name. Now, you've successfully changed your last name on your Facebook account. Your friends and followers will now see your new last name.